walking with the ghost.
Hello mga katudof, good morning, and mga kajug maayong buntag ka natong tanan. So right now we're going to Tigbao. This is part of Banawe because we will be visiting another falls there. So we will be visiting two falls. So falls of Kuan, right? True or false? Charot, joke. Barangay Banawe, Tigbao. So the next falls nga mong i-visit ay doon lang daw diri. So dira, I think. So that's if na di na makita, no? Elementary dito sa Tigbao. The struggle is super real. Laban. Water from tubod. Makalami. It's already 9:43 and kapit na 10. So let's go and continue our adventure.
So I think as you can see the road going here in Tigbao proper is not actually good, I would really say, but it's okay if you have like mga DP nga motor dagko. So but Mio like Smash, I think it's fine, but advice lang good, it's not good. So other way is that if ganahan mo magwalk, you have to pass Palali Uno and then you have to walk good going here kung wala mo yung motorcycle and going to the falls. Alright, so guys, let's go.
everyone, time check is already 11:10 in the morning and we're at the middle of the forests, Kabukiran. And as you can see, if madungog ninyo, we're almost there to the falls. So, guys, please bear with me and let's go.
Help! Help! Someone's running after me! He will kill me!
Hello everyone! We have our tour guide here. See, what's her name, Kuya? Hi Edwin, Kuya Edwin. So na po gamay nga falls, no? So, doon na dyan ni. So let's go! This is our friend Georgina. She's with us along the way going to the falls. And as you can see, guys, she's great. Ay, maraguol na dyan ni friends. No? Naami sa Kasagingan. From Kamaisan to Kasagingan. No? Sada kay sunod. Basong Kaluvinan. Alright, I think the falls is really nice here. But again, no, sa giingon pa. Basta. Alright, mga katudok and mga kajug we're finally here. Super taas. Welcome to MAYBUNGA Waterfalls here in Tigbao, Banawe, Pamplona, Negros Oriental. Ika nga, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. And with that, I would like to extend my warmest gratitude to all the people with us during this trip, especially to Honorable Iva Rodriguez and to Barangay Captain Honorable Dante Rodriguez of Barangay Banawe. Life is a journey, and I never worry. Let's continue to travel while you can travel.